Don't do the phone. Do it right away, okay?
알았어.
Okay.
숙제.
Yours. Hi.
Hi.
Hi guys, my name is Claude. My Korean name is Seulgi. I'm native Korean and I'm living in Daejeon, South Korea. I'm teaching Korean and English.
안녕하세요, 여러분. 저는 벨기에 사람 MC입니다. 저는 학생입니다.
Today again, we are going to learn about new useful Korean expression. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, so let's watch the video first.
Yes.
사실 성공하는 방법 같은 거는 누구나 다 알고 있는 거거든요.
성공 방법이요? 그게 뭘까?
그냥 미친 듯이 파이팅하면 돼요. 그게 귀찮은 거지.
This is today's target expression. Okay, one more time.
그게 귀찮은 거지. 그게 귀찮은 거지. 그게 귀찮은 거지.
This one. 그게 귀찮은 거지.
그게 귀찮은 거지.
Let me tell you the meaning first. So 귀찮다 means I can't be bothered to blah 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 blah. Like, oh, doing ABC is such a hassle. I don't want to do that. Like, it's really bothering that I do ABC. So basically, I don't want to do that. I feel lazy to do that. Does that make sense?
네.
Just write 귀찮다. We should put noun. How do we say to wake up in Korean?
일어나다.
일어나다. But this is verb, right? How can we change this one from verb to noun? Okay. We just like stay the stem of the word and get rid of the 다, but change that to 부.
일어나기.
그렇지. This is the way we make verb to noun. I can't be bothered to wake up.
일어나기 귀찮다.
Okay, one more time.
일어나기 귀찮다.
Okay, does that make
네.
sense? How can we say I can't be bothered to do homework? Do you remember to do homework?
숙제하다.
Then can you try?
숙제하기 괜찮다.
귀찮다.
귀찮다.
Okay, one more time.
숙제하기 귀찮다.
Okay. Or I think we've already covered the way we emphasize. What should we add?
개.
It sounds a little bit informal, but anyway, we can say, 운동 개귀찮아.
That sounds a little too hard.
This morning, it was very challenging to wake up early. 일어나기 개귀찮아.
일어나기 개귀찮. It's too much.
Yeah, once 개
Like,
combines with
기,
귀, then
개,
It's
일어나기 개귀찮아.
Yeah, what else?
Taking public transport.
Really?
Yeah. 'cause
You wish you
put
had
on
a car,
time.
right?
You put on a time.
Okay, with that emotion, you can try it.
버스 타기 개귀찮아.
Okay, like that. Good job. That is the right vibe. You got it there, right?
네.
Okay, wonderful job. So now, let's make the situation, and then we kind of play acting
네.
in the situation. Okay, MC. So today Korean class is over. So this is your homework. Make sure you complete all this paper. Okay.
네.
And make sure there are also vocabulary list here. You gotta memorize all those things.
네.
And don't forget to make your own sentence with your experience. Okay?
네.
Make sure it. Don't
네.
forget it. Don't do the phone. Do it right away. Okay?
알았어.
Okay.
숙제 개귀찮아. 숙제 개귀찮아. 숙제 개귀찮아.
Okay. That's a perfect vibe. Okay, MC. I think we really learned useful expression today, right?
네.
Okay. So I hope it was useful time for you.
I will use it next class.
Okay, we can just say goodbye now. Okay.
Yes.
Thank you.
Bye.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. God bless you.